All right, your news aside, let's take a look at the markets picture. Kicking things off with the JSE. Local markets in positive territory today, still being fueled by gains in precious metals. Industrials, however, under pressure with heavyweight Naspers closing in the red. As you can see, the Industrial 25, the only index in negative territory, losing close to 0.7%. Trading in the opposite direction is the Resources 10 complex, up close to 2.5%. The Financial 15 gaining about 0.2%. Now, taking all of that into account, the All share up 0.72%. Now, let's take a look at what's playing out over in the U.S. Trade has been quite choppy on that front as investors try to make sense of the latest U.S. non-farm payrolls. The delayed January print coming in higher than expected, suggesting that the labor market is more resilient than market participants had thought. And with that, we are seeing trade in negative territory, with the Nasdaq losing 0.83%, leading the losses on that front, followed by a 0.4% decline in the Dow Jones. The S&P 500 also down a similar margin. Now, trade in Europe proving to be mixed, with investors on that front assessing another flurry of earnings. Heineken announcing job cuts while Ferrari ups its 2026 guidance. And with that, we are seeing the German DAX taking the biggest hit, losing 0.4%. The French CAC 40 pretty flat, down 0.02%. But trading in the opposite direction is the FTSE 100, gaining 0.8%. Shifting focus now to currency markets and starting with the local unit. We did see the local unit holding steady as traders digest the latest jobs print, with many trying to make sense of it all, especially when it comes to future monetary policy moves. With that, it is pretty flat against the dollar at 15.93, holding below that 16 Rand mark. Against the pound, trading a little weaker at 21.74, but against the euro trading stronger at 18.89. Now let's take a look at your other currency pairs. The euro to the dollar strong at 1.18. Trading flat is the pound to the dollar at 1.36. Also trading in firm territory is that dollar yen pair, just above 153.